How to combine ratios of three quantities. Let us start with this first problem. If A is to B is equal to 4 is to 7 and B is to C is equal to 5 is to 6, what is A is to B is to C? First thing to do is to write them in horizontal form. You have to begin with 4 is to 7 followed by 5 is to 6. Then we have to use multiplication. Multiply the first terms. 4 times 5 is equal to 20. Then, multiply the second term of the first ratio by the first term of the second ratio. So, 7 times 5 is equal to 35. Lastly, you have to multiply the second terms. 7 times 6 is equal to 42. We have to combine them. 4 times 5 is equal to 20. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 6 is 42. So the answer is 20 is to 35 is to 42. Problem number 2. If A is to B is equal to 3 is to 6 and B is to C is equal to 4 is to 6, what is A is to B is to C? Again, write them in horizontal form. 3 is to 6, then the other one is 4 is to 6. Let us now multiply. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. 6 times 4 is equal to 24. Then 6 times 6 is equal to 36. The answer, 12 is to 24 is to 36. And of course, we have to simplify our answer. 12, 24, and 36 are all divisible by 12. So the final answer is 1 is to 2 is to 3. Now, it's your turn. Try to answer these 3 remaining problems. I will give you 20 seconds to answer, but if you think the time is not enough, you can simply pause each problem. If A is to B is equal to 3 is to 4 and B is to C is equal to 7 is to 8, what is A is to B is to C? The timer starts now. So the answer is 21 is to 28 is to 32. Did you get it correctly? Next problem. If A is to B is equal to 8 is to 6 and B is to C is equal to 3 is to 5, what is A is to B is to C? The timer starts now. The answer is 24 is to 18 is to 30. And 24, 18, and 30 are all divisible by 6. So divide all by 6. The answer is 4 is to 3 is to 5. And for our last problem, if A is to B is equal to 7 is to 9 and B is to C is equal to 10 is to 8, what is A is to B is to C? The timer starts now. And the answer is 70 is to 90 is to 72. All are divisible by 2. So final answer, 35 is to 45 is to 36. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new today. Thank you for watching.